Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. PocketFi Airdrop and Token Listing. What you need to know about $Switch. PocketFi, an innovative mini-app designed for decentralized finance, DeFi, on Telegram, is setting the stage for a transformative launch in Q4 2024. The platform simplifies DeFi operations such as cross-chain token transfers, sniping, and copy trading across multiple decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Built with Telegram's cutting-edge tools, PocketFi is all about user convenience, allowing seamless management of multiple wallets, easy token swaps, and capturing lucrative sniping opportunities directly through its bot interface. As excitement builds, here's a comprehensive breakdown of what to expect from PocketFi's upcoming token generation event, TGE, airdrop, and token listing. PocketFi listing date, a key milestone for $Switch. PocketFi's governance token, $Switch, is poised to hit major exchanges by the end of Q4 2024, shortly after its TGE. According to the project's roadmap, the listing is expected to occur before December 30th, 2024. This milestone marks PocketFi's move to make $Switch widely accessible to traders and investors while expanding its reach within the DeFi ecosystem. By launching $Switch on top-tier exchanges, PocketFi is positioning itself as a major player in the DeFi landscape. The token will be integrated into various DeFi protocols, further enhancing its utility and solidifying its role in enabling decentralized governance on the platform. PocketFi Airdrop, rewarding early supporters. To celebrate the TGE and reward its early adopters, PocketFi is rolling out an airdrop in December 2024. Although the exact date hasn't been announced, the team has confirmed it will happen before December 30th, 2024. This airdrop aims to build community engagement by distributing $Switch tokens to participants. These tokens won't just hold monetary value, they'll also grant holders the ability to vote on key governance decisions, such as approving new DeFi protocols and upgrades to the platform. By empowering users with governance rights, PocketFi fosters a community-driven ecosystem that aligns with the principles of decentralization. PocketFi Tokenomics, built for long-term success. The success of $Switch lies in its thoughtfully designed tokenomics, which ensure both stability and sustainability. 51% of tokens are allocated for mining, incentivizing active engagement on the platform. 24% of tokens are reserved for the team, demonstrating long-term commitment to PocketFi's growth. 25% of tokens are dedicated to the DAO, empowering the community to shape the project's future. This allocation strategy underscores PocketFi's commitment to balancing community involvement, development, and market expansion. $Switch token listing price. What to expect? Industry analysts predict $Switch will